Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on adding 2-column text boxes in WordPress in a matter of minutes. In this guide you will learn how to navigate the WordPress site, log into your account and modify your site with the necessary columns to enhance your layout. Begin your process by opening WordPress in your web browser. Once the WordPress homepage has loaded, direct your attention to the top right corner where you will find the login button. Click on this option to initiate your sign-in process. After clicking the login button, you will be presented with several options. For a smooth and secure login, select the option that allows you to continue with your Google account. This option simplifies the sign-in process by using your existing Google credentials, so simply choose the account you wish to use. Once you have successfully logged in, you will see a quick link section within the WordPress interface. Look for the link that reads Edit Site and click on it to jump straight into the site editing mode. Now that you are in the site editor, your next step is to add a new element to your page layout. In the upper left corner of your screen, there is a plus icon that allows you to add various blocks to your page. Click on this plus icon, which opens up a menu of options. In the menu, you will have a search function. Begin typing the word columns. The search function will filter the available options and display a block titled columns. When it appears, click on this columns block to select it. After you select the columns option, the editor will prompt you to choose how many columns you want to include in this new block. At this point, pick the option that provides 2 columns, since this guide focuses on how to add 2-column text boxes. Once you have made your selection, your page layout will update to display 2 distinct columns side by side. To further refine your layout, focus on the space that lies between the 2 columns. Hover your cursor over the divider and notice that a plus icon appears in the gap separating the columns. Click on this plus icon to reveal additional options. This action will enable you to add another block within the space between the already established columns. As the final step in this sequence, you will be given the option to add another column inside this newly created area. When prompted to choose, select the 2-column layout option to maintain the consistency of the design. By following these directions, you have successfully added 2-column text boxes to your WordPress site. The procedure is straightforward and designed to be completed quickly, taking only a few minutes from start to finish. With your newly organized layout, you can now add content inside each text box to enhance your site's readability and visual appeal. This tutorial provides a concise yet detailed explanation of each action required, ensuring that even those new to WordPress can follow along with ease. Enjoy the benefits of a well-structured site that presents your information in a clear and attractive format.